In our last slide, we want to know which lines are parallel, which lines are perpendicular, and also we must determine how we know that to be the case. In order for lines to be parallel, they have to have the same slope. In order for them to be perpendicular, the two slopes multiplied together must equal -1. So the first thing that we must do is we must find the slopes of each of the lines. In order to find the black line slope, we know that that slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We get 4 minus -4 equals 8. -2 minus 2 equals -4. 8 divided by -4 is -2. The slope of the black line is -2. For our red one, using the same slope formula, 4 minus 2 equals 2. 3 minus -3 equals 6. In order to simplify 2/6, I divide both by 2. I get a slope of 1/3. The slope of the red line is 1/3. For the blue line, using the same slope formula, 2 minus -2 equals 4. 4 minus -4 equals 8. 4/8 simplifies to 1/2. The slope of the blue line is 1/2. Finally, for our green line, -2 minus -4 equals 2. 3 minus -3 equals 6. 2/6 simplifies to 1/3. Therefore, the slope of the green line is 1/3. I can already tell which ones are parallel because I have a red line of 1/3 and a green line of 1/3. Since those have the same slope, they are parallel, red with the green. Likewise, I know that these two, the blue and the black, are perpendicular because -2 times 1/2 equals -1. When the slopes multiplied together equal -1, those lines are perpendicular. So the black line and the blue line are perpendicular. Your homework for today is worksheet 13.2 and 13.2e. They are on the same sheet. There are 8 problems on each side. You will have the rest of the time to complete this, and these problems will be due on Thursday. Thanks and have a great day.